Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Yolova. Today I am here to do a very quick review on my favorite setting spray. I'm here for us oily skin girls, for us dry skin girls, combination skin girls. So if you'd like to see my recommendation, the best and the top setting sprays, please keep on watching. First, this is one of my favorite setting sprays. I recently reviewed this one on my channel this year, and this is from YSL from the new collection. This one is really a beautiful setting spray, as it doesn't dry out your skin. This one, I feel like it adds moisture to your skin. It's more like a skincare to me opposed to a setting spray. And if you have dry skin, I feel like this would work really well for you, especially for the fall and winter season, where most of the dry skin girls usually get really dry. Even me as an oily skin girl, I go through like a transition this time of year with having combination skin. Sometimes I feel like I'm dry in certain areas, and sometimes I'm still oily in my T-zone, no matter what time of year it is. Right now I am enjoying this YSL new setting spray. This is really lovely, and I will absolutely recommend this. I know that it sells at Sephora. It also sells on the YSL website. Up next, I have one of my absolute favorites, and this has been my favorite for a really long time. If you're used to my channel, I know you had to hear me speaking about this one. And this is the Tarte Stay Spray. This one is really a magnificent setting spray, as this one is a waterproof setting spray. It is really lightweight. It has a lovely cucumber smell to this one, and it's really fine. I feel like the mist in this one is really tiny, really light, and I love that. If you love a light mist that doesn't move your foundation, or that doesn't make it dry or oily, this doesn't add any type of oils to your skin. So if you are oily skin girl like me and you're worried if it's gonna add any oils to your skin, absolutely not. This is really magnificent for us oily skin girls, for dry skin girls, and also for combination skin girls. As like I said, it doesn't dry your skin out at all, but it does hold your makeup together. This has been my favorite, like I said, for maybe about 2 years since I first reviewed it on this channel. I haven't stopped reaching for this one. I have repurchased this many times, as I do love this one. Next, I have a setting spray that I reviewed earlier this year on my channel, and this is from Benefit, the Professional Super Setter Spray. And this one is also a really lovely setting spray, as it do hold your makeup together and extend the wear time. It does make your makeup smudge proof, as any foundation I use with this one, it doesn't smudge. It keeps it from smudging on my mask or any of that type of stuff. This is also waterproof setting spray, and the mist in this one is also really fine, which is why I love this one. It has a really light smell to it. It isn't too much over the top, but I do love this one, and I would recommend this one to have dry skin. If you have oily skin, if you're a combination girl, this is magnificent for all of us women. Next, I have from Huda Beauty, and this is the Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray. This one is really one of my favorites, as when I'm going for a full coverage look, I usually reach for this one, as this gives a super strong hold to your makeup. The only thing I would say with this one is if you have sensitive skin, or if you don't like fragrant setting sprays, you mightn't like this one. But if you don't mind the smell, as this one do have a really strong smell, but it does hold your makeup just as strong as the smell is, so that's why I keep reaching for this one. I love the smell. I will absolutely recommend this one to you if you do have dry skin, if you do have oily skin like I do, or if you do have combination skin like I'm going through right now as well. I would absolutely recommend this Huda Beauty Resting Boss. Next, I have from Urban Decay the classic all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray, and this is a classic from Urban Decay. This is the all-nighter setting spray. I purchased this one in the Luna package, which is why it looks red. It comes in a purple package, as you know, but like I said, I did purchase this in the Luna package, which is why it's red. But this is really a lovely setting spray for if you do have oily skin, if you do have dry skin, if you do have combination skin. I feel like this will work magnificent for you, as it doesn't dry out your skin at all. It doesn't add any oil or any shine to your skin, but it does keep your makeup together and extend the makeup wear. And next I have from Starrr, and this is the One Size On Till Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray, and I purchased this one in the travel size. This One Size setting spray, I would say, is very similar to the Huda Beauty. If you do love that hold that the Huda Beauty gives you, but you don't like the smell, I feel like this would be a really lovely option for you, as this One Size setting spray, it also turns your makeup into matte makeup. It extends the wear. It's a waterproof setting spray, and it doesn't have such a strong smell, like I say, as the Huda Beauty does, but it does give you that same super hold as the Huda Beauty does. And it was my reason for purchasing this one. Like I said, I will absolutely recommend this one if you do have oily skin like me. But if you do have dry skin or combination skin, because this particular setting spray turns your makeup into matte, I don't know if that's what dry skin girls go for, as they do mostly go for a dewy look. I wouldn't recommend this one to you, but I would recommend it, like I said, to us oily skin girls, as this is really lovely and golden for us oily skin girls. Up next, I have from It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better setting spray, and this is a 16-hour setting spray, as this setting spray does extend the wear of your makeup. It does hold your makeup together really lovely. It is a smudge proof. It has coconut water in this one, so if you are a dry skin girl, I feel like you would really love this one. Or if you're combination skin, you would also love this one. But me personally, as a oily skin girl, I also love this one. It does look really beautiful on the skin. It doesn't look super shiny, but there is sometimes that I myself would be going for a luminous look, and times like that I would absolutely reach for this It Cosmetics setting spray. It is really a lovely option for all skin types. And last but not least, I have from Lawless new setting spray. It is a long wear setting spray, and what I really love about this setting spray, when this goes on the skin, it becomes like a powdered form, which is really lovely. It does keep the shine away from your makeup, but it doesn't dry your skin out at all. I will absolutely recommend this to you. It's also really light, as you can see. It isn't heavy at all. It isn't one of those setting sprays that move your foundation in any way, as none of these setting sprays do move your foundation at all. And if there's anything that I didn't mention about any of these beautiful setting sprays, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to respond. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.